welding them. And then I was standing up here, taking the hinges off, tripped on this fucking thing, fell on the welder, broke the lid, hurt my shoulder. I can hardly lift my arm. See the lump here?
Okay.
So I'm gonna book off for today.
Okay, so I was in first aid training and clearly I needed to be here today.
So this guy comes tomorrow, he's probably gonna do most of the work until I feel better.
Okay. You didn't crack your head or anything, did you?
No. Safest spot. Hip, arm, shoulder.
Okay. This is the back door. Right, it's Monday. So showed up here yesterday and Dad had been working on the blue narrow gauge and he fell off the back. So we're gonna check in with him and see how he's doing. Dad's giving a little instruction to his man. So, how was your day off?
Good, excellent.
We missed you yesterday.
Yeah, I heard.
Dad needed a spotter.
That's what I heard. Too bad I wasn't here.
Well, he's just lucky he didn't impale himself on the welder. Okay, so parts have arrived. Dad's just going to show them here.
The Biden accessory kit, the Irish accessory kit come.
That's it there, eh?
Special order from Amazon.
Yep.
So he wears that. Well, we're getting pretty close to the 17th
Where's
here, aren't
yours?
we? Yeah.
Hey,
I want to see you.
I thought we had some drinks first, you know.
I want to see you wearing that on the 17th.
Hey,
Always thinking this guy.
hey. I think that'd rather fit you quite well.
Jeez.
Hey,
Tuesday, March 12th, I think it is. And we got a hell of a pile of rain last night, so it's slickering shit outside. But the boys seem to be working here. We got the apprentice working on his stuff. He's doing some grinding here right away. I think Dad's helping him out with some welding in the back for track adjusters. And Dad said he's going to take a break from working up on the height here because his arm's still a little sore. And he needs his shoulder to heal a little bit before he gets back at working going on here. We'll give him another couple of days here. And if you notice, he's welding on his left side because that's the side that doesn't hurt. But you can see a little closer here, he's not really using his right hand too much because it's still sore. So we got Dad his x-ray yesterday and there's no damage, but he still has some swelling there. But he's not going to stay stationary. He's going to keep busy doing stuff. So he's doing some left-hand welding right now. So, yeah, I got to make it safe for Dad here, and he can't be working off the back of the trailer right now until he heals up a little bit more. And yeah, we'll talk to the boys and find out what's going on. I know the apprentice was working on track adjusters last night, so that's likely what Dad's welding into place.
We're working on this one so we can get a bogey on and a wheel on each side on the back.
Yeah.
Then we can pull it out.
Okay.
And then we're going to get the other one
Moved out.
moved out.
Okay. How's your shoulder doing today?
A little bit better.
I see you're doing some left-handed welding here.
Well, we can't get the arm up high enough to weld.
Yeah. So, bit of a safety message. Don't fall down when you're 81.
No.
But,
50 is not a good thing to do.
yeah. So, yeah, Dad's back at work here. Bit of a worry here on Sunday. So, you know, we picked up an extra subscriber from Mexico who wants to watch Trapper Bob.
Hi, Daryl.
Yeah, is that your buddy?
He slept in here before too, Daryl.
Oh, okay, yeah.
He was my helper for years, Daryl. Daryl Pocket, yeah.
Okay, we picked up an extra subscriber who mentioned he subscribed because he wants to watch Trapper Bob.
Oh, okay.
So-
My wife's brother.
Oh, okay,
Daryl, yeah.
there you go. Well, good. So you already said hi.
He's in the two gringos now. If you
That's
wanna
what it
learn-
is, 2 gringos.
If you
Yeah.
want to learn how to move to Mexico, you get a hold of him.
Okay, so if we got a YouTube link for them or something like that, we'll put it in here.
Yeah, right
Is
on, right on.
there a YouTube channel for them?
Yeah, the two gringos, yeah.
Okay, so I'll look up 2 gringos, and if I can find it, I'll put the link down here if you want to move to Mexico full time.
Yeah,
And if you don't want to stay in Denair Beach or the Paw, then 2 gringos in Mexico.
yeah. If you
Okay.
want Beaver Lake or the Pie, it's obviously Mexico after.
Yeah. Okay. So what are you guys doing today?
We're working on locking beams and the track adjusters.
Okay. So what were you doing last night? Dad had some tasks for you last night. What did you manage to do?
So made the angle brackets for the track adjusters.
You want to show us that so that everybody can see?
Well, these are the first that we made right here.
Okay.
They were a little off, so
Okay.
throw them on your dad.
Where's the new one?
Welded it on right there. In the vice still?
Yeah, I see something in the device there.
I can't keep track of it.
Okay.
Go right there. Here, you hold it up.
Well, that's the adjuster.
Okay.
It goes on like this.
Okay.
Welded here.
So it goes more like.
Right. Okay. So the intent here is with all this work is to get the wheels back on this one so it can move out, because we've got to move that machine out and reposition. And the reason why that's got to come out is all this work these guys did on moving this table into position and getting everything sorted out is we're going to put the engine and transmission on here. And Dad can't really do anything right now
Hey,
because he's injured, but also the work that we are doing is here. It doesn't make any sense to go from here to there when that machine should be over here.
hey, your dad was right how to put that on, and just for a little piece like that, it's pretty complicated, eh? For me, it was anyway.
Yeah.
Just to make sure the cuts are all right and the holes are perfect, and it doesn't
Okay.
bind in. The rod comes, it doesn't bind into there. It's all
Okay.
sophisticated stuff.
So Trapper is got his magnet, and he's going to do some magneting here.
You're going to hold it? Is that the
You
plan?
want to tack it on right now? Okay, that's why I brought my gloves.
Oh no, injury or not, get back to work. So these guys are just gonna tack in this little bracket into place. So again, they're putting the bracket into place so that they can put in the track adjusters, so that they can put on the wheels, so they can move this machine out of the shop, because this Bombardier has to go to the position where the big bay doors are, so that we can move it out, so that we can roll it off. So whatever they're doing here can be secondary to that position. My dad's got the big table moved over here with the crane already. He used to be here, so he swapped these 2 tables and cleaned up the work area. But we don't want Dad having to travel across the shop in order to install stuff. when it's right here. So just a bit of shop housekeeping today. I gotta head back to work and I'll let these guys get back to doing what they're doing here. Dad seems to be recovering from his injury, but he's still favoring the one side over the other. And we're gonna let these guys get back to work.